Morning student. Today I am going to start your new chapter, Means of Communication. In this chapter we will discuss about need for communication, modes of communication and mailing letter. In this chapter first we will know that what is communication. When we exchange our idea and thought with each other, it is called communication. Now see the picture. Here two friends are talking and exchanging their idea. It means they are communicating with each other. Now see another picture of communication. Now our next topic is types of communication. There are two types of communication. First is personal communication and second is mass communication. First we will discuss about personal communication. When only two people are talking and sharing their thoughts, it is called personal communication. Now here see the picture of personal communication. Student, next we will discuss about mass communication. What is a mass communication? When a group of people are talking and sharing an information with each other, it is called mass communication. Now here you can see the picture of mass communication. How they are communicating with each other and sharing their thoughts and idea. It means it is called mass communication. Children, now tell me why we communicate with each other. The answer is we communicate with each other. We want to stay in touch with them. Okay. Students, do you know how earlier people communicate with each other? Because that time there was no post office, no mobile phone available. They used trained pigeon to send the letter. They also used to send smoke signal or beat drums to communicate with the people who stay far away. Now, our next topic is modern means of communication. Nowadays, there are various means of communication such as a newspaper, television, mobile phone and radio. Do you know, children? They play a very important role in our day-to-day activities. Student, this is a example of modern means of communication. We can talk to our friends and relatives through the mobile phone. It is the fastest means of communication. We can communicate with this mobile phone in modern time. Now next, some important instruction. We use a service called the STD. The full form of STD, subscriber trunk dialing, to call up people living in different states in India. When we use the ISD, the full form of ISD, International Subscriber Dialing service, to speak to someone in another country. We need the area code if we have to call someone in another city or country. And next we will know about mudra. Gesture and hand movements can also act as means of communication. In Indian classical dances, mudra are used to communicate feelings and emotion. Now see the picture of mudra. Student, another example of means of communication, fax machine. What is a fax machine? A fax is used to send text and picture through the telephone line. Now here you can see the picture of fax machine. Children, do you know writing letters is the most important means of written communication? We can also communicate through the electronic mails or emails. Student, in next class we will discuss about mailing letter. So till read previous topics. Thank you. Have a good day.